Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw XLM with minimum confirmation settings, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred cryptocurrency exchange that supports Stellar Lumens, or XLM. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Wallet or Assets section of the platform. Locate XLM from your list of available cryptocurrencies. Select the option to withdraw or transfer XLM. Enter the recipient's wallet address carefully. Ensure that the address is correct to avoid loss of funds. Look for the section on minimum confirmation settings within the withdrawal options. Adjust the confirmation settings to the minimum level permitted by the exchange. Review any applicable fees associated with the withdrawal. Decide on the amount of XLM you wish to withdraw. Confirm the transaction details are accurate. Follow any additional security measures, such as two-factor authentication. Submit the withdrawal request after reviewing all information. Wait for the exchange to process your withdrawal. Monitor the transaction status in your account for updates. Once processed, check your recipient's wallet to ensure the funds arrived. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.